So hey guys, we are back with the latest video for you, and in previous video we saw how to create a database, how to alter it and how to drop it. Now we are going to see how to insert a data inside a table, how to update it and how to delete the data inside a table. And I am also going to show how to truncate work. So let's start with insert. Insert into, then table name, employee, after that brackets. Hmm. Inside that ID, name and age. Okay, only country. Hmm. After that values, inside it 1 comma, name would be Shubham. We'll do it 2, name would be Shubham, comma, age will be 25 and country would be India. So let's now execute it. There is an error. Oh, before executing we should use the database. Now you can see it is in bold letters. Now the statement will execute. Yes. So now let's see if we have got the data or not. Select all from employee. Yes. As you can see, our data has been inserted inside. Now I will show you how to update it. So update table name, employee, and after that set and condition like country is equals to hmm, country is equals to UAE, comma, age is equals to 20. And in this update we can also give a condition using where clause. So we are going to do that also, where ID is equals to 1. If we do not give a condition, then all the data in the table will be changed. So the condition is compulsory. So execute. Okay. Then let's see. Select all from employee. Yes. You all can see where we were having country as India has been changed and the age also has been changed. So this is how we should use update statement. Now I will show you delete statement. So delete uh, from employee uh, where id is equals to 1. Now let's see, execute. Now we will see, as you can see, the data has been deleted. So this is how the delete statement and update statement are used. Now I will show you how the truncate statement is used. As I have promised in previous video, I will show you how the truncate statement is used and what is the difference between the truncate and drop statement also. Truncate employee. After that, as you can see, we have done truncate and all the data inside the employee table has been vanished. So this is how the truncate statement is used, and the main difference between truncate and drop is this. The drop statement will delete all the schemas and the data inside the schema, and the truncate will only delete the data inside the schema, not the schema or the structure of the database. So thank you for the watching this video, and please also subscribe.